The Poco F8 Ultra comes with 6.9 inches Full HD plus AMOLED display, 120Hz, and Poco Shield. Glass protection, rear cameras 50 megapixel main plus 50 megapixel telephoto and 50 megapixel. Ultra-wide with 8K video, 32 megapixel selfie with 4K video, powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, 3 nanometer chipset. It runs on Android 16 with HyperOS 3, comes with 12, 16 GB of RAM and 256, 512 GB. UFS 4.1 storage, no micro SD. Features a 6500 mAh battery with 100-watt charging, measures 7.9 or 8.3mm thickness and 220 grams weight, and colors black and denim blue. Other features includes in-display fingerprint, dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, GPS, NFC, USB, Type-C, stereo speakers, IR blaster, and IP68 rating. Pricing starts at $679 for the 12 GB plus 256 GB model.